In this video, I'll guide you through how to copy text without losing formatting in Google Docs. If you've ever tried to copy something and ended up with the wrong font size or color, this tutorial will help you keep everything looking exactly the way you want. Let's start from the very beginning. You should already have your document open in Google Docs, and you'll want to be looking at the section of text whose formatting you want to preserve. Formatting includes things like the font style, font size, bold or italic text, text color, highlights, and even things like links. When we copy with formatting, we're telling Google Docs to grab not only the words, but also the way those words are styled. First, select the formatted text in Google Docs. To do this with your mouse, move your cursor to the beginning of the text you want to copy, click, and hold down the mouse button. Then drag across the text until everything you want is highlighted. Once it's selected, release the mouse button. You'll know it's selected because the text will appear highlighted in blue. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can also place your cursor at the start of the section, hold down the Shift key, and use the arrow keys to extend the selection. This can be especially handy if you're working with longer passages or want more precise control over what you select. The key thing is to make sure all the text whose formatting you want to keep is fully selected before you move on. Once your text is selected, it's time to copy it. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. On most keyboards, that means holding down the Ctrl key and then tapping the C key once, then releasing them both. This copies both the text and its formatting into your clipboard, which is a temporary storage area your computer uses when you copy and paste. You won't see anything change on the screen when you copy, and that's normal. The text will stay where it is, unchanged. What has changed is that Google Docs now has a copy of that exact text and all of its styling ready to paste wherever you want. Next, move your cursor to the place in your document where you want to paste the text. Click once to position the cursor there. This could be in the same document, maybe a few paragraphs down, or even in a different Google Docs document entirely. As long as you stay within Google Docs, this method will preserve your formatting. Now, paste the text using Ctrl+V. Just like before, hold down the Ctrl key and tap the V key once. The text should appear exactly as it was formatted before, with the same font, size, colors, and any other styling. This is what keeps your document looking consistent and professional, and it saves you from having to manually reapply formatting after pasting. If you ever find that your pasted text doesn't look right, double check that you used Ctrl+V and not another paste option like paste without formatting. As long as you use the standard paste shortcut inside Google Docs, your formatting will stay intact. And that's all you need to do to copy text without losing formatting in Google Docs. Select the formatted text, copy it with Ctrl+C, and paste it with Ctrl+V while staying inside Google Docs.